Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video we will be looking into the next part of integrating Redis with NextJS. So firstly, I have this so what I will do is that I will show you hyperlogs commands first. So this is our hyperlogs command. So suppose it takes the key is the command name is pfadd and the key is vegetables and the value is salary, but you can enter whatever key and value you like. So I have already entered salary. I will just enter salary 1, and here you can see it gives you salary 1 as the value. Now I have already entered 2 values for vegetables, so if I do pf count of vegetables, it should give me 3. The other 2 values I have entered during my practice. So here you can see the value is 3, but for you it will show as 1. If you add more items, it will show you those number of counts for that particular items. So first, inside keys.ts, what I have done is that I have taken items, views, keys. I am passing our item id, so here I have created our key. Then inside views.ts, the only thing I have done is that inside the increment view, so here we are just doing client.pfadd, passing item, views, keys, and here we are passing item id as well as the user id, and if inserted, then only we are incrementing the count. So we are not incrementing the count every time you refresh the page, so only once for every user. So that's what we will be checking out. So here you can see so I have this particular command, right? Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go to localhost :3000 / create item. Okay, I'll enter something, I don't know, chair. Okay, ignore the typo. I'll just take this image, copy image link, I'll just paste it over here. I'll enter some price. Okay, this should be 55. Okay, 55 is fine. So here you can see this was added chair, so this is our chair and the count is 0. Now I have the item id with me, so this was the item id. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly enter this item id over here, and here you can see I have visited this chair using this user id. Alright, now if I go to localhost :3000, if I refresh this, here you can see chair value was incremented to 1. Even if I try to refresh this page multiple times for this user, because I have already visited this particular chair item, the count won't increase. So if I refresh localhost :3000, it is still 1. Now with a new user, so this is a new user, if I try to enter, if I try to visit this, so this new user has visited this item. Again, go back to localhost, I will refresh it, and here you can see chair count was incremented to 2. So that's what this is. Next we will be looking into some of the commands for list. So there is something called list in Redis as well. Typically you should not use list. Try to avoid using list as much as possible, but I'll quickly show you all the commands for it. So if you want to, so lpush temps 25 is push, so the temps is the key, 25 is the value, and lpush means push it to the left side. So firstly, I already have this particular thing, so I'll delete everything first, whatever is present inside temps. Okay, now I will just run lpush temps 25. I'll run it, and here you can see it is 1. Then I will do rpush temps 27. Here you can see this value was added as well. Then if you want the length, you can run this command. So rpush means push it to the right side, and here you can see value is 2, the count was 2, or the length was 2. Then lindex temps 1. So here you can see the value would be 27, because so suppose our list is something like this, right? 25 and 27. So 27 would be the 1. Okay, it refers to index 1. And if I do lindex temps of 0, let's see what it prints. Lindex temps 0, it prints 25. Okay, what if I print temps -1? it prints 27. So hope you are getting the point. Okay, Next, okay, I have already shown you. Then I'll just delete everything and I'll just push this code. All right, I'm deleting everything and pushing everything. Okay, then for L range from 1 to 100, it will give you all these values: 27, 25, 30 and 24, because L 25 would be ignored, right? So it has only given us 27, 25, 30 and 24. Then L range of temps 0 to -2. Okay, so it has given us 25, 27, 25, 30. So 25, 27, 25, 30. Then L pause temps of 30. Okay, so we are getting the position, so it is 3. Then L pause temps 25 rank 2. Okay, so here you can see we are getting 2. Then L pause temps 25 count 3. If I run this, here as you can see I am getting 0 and 2. Then again I will just run all this command. I'll run all this command. I will run it. Then I will do lpop temps, so it will remove 1. Here you can see it has removed 25. So this one, lpop temps 2, if I do now, 27 would become first, right? So I'll just to avoid confusion, I will again remove this everything and push it back again. All right, now I can do lpop temps 2. Okay, here you can see 25 and 27 was removed, so 25 and 27. Now L index temps of 0. So if I do an L index temps of 0, here you can see I'm getting 25 because of this one. Okay, next I am again doing all this command, so I'll just quickly run this command again. Then I am setting, so we are setting 35 to index 0, so that's what lpause temps do, 0 of 35. Then we will do L index temps of 0. So if I just show you, so here you can see it is printing 35. Then I will again do all this. This one I will run it again. Then if I want, I can do an ltrim temps of 1 to 3. So if I do ltrim, okay, then if I do L index temps of 0, here you can see it is getting us 27. All right, then we again can do the same thing. So I'll just uncomment this, quickly run this again. And next is L insert. So we are inserting before 30. If I just do this, you can use before, instead of before you can use after as well if you want. And if I just do L index temps of 3, it should be 15. Yeah. Next L range temps 0 -1. So here you can see it is giving us so -1 is the last one, so it is giving us everything. Then L insert after temps after 30 I am inserting. Okay, and here if I do L rem temps 1 to 25, here you can see it has done that. And if I want to remove all copies of 25, lrem, it's basically like removing one copy of 25, and 0 of 25 means remove all copy of 25. So here you can see. Now if I want, I can just show you this, and here you can see 25 was removed from everything. So yeah, that's it. In the next video we will be seeing how to use list inside our NextJS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.